Hey, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on how I style my hair. So this video was requested by viewers, so thank you so much, Justine, for requesting this video. So it genuinely takes me about 20 minutes to style my hair, so this is going to be a very short video. But I hope it's informative and helps you in some kind of way. So before talking about styling, let's talk about my haircut, because that affects how I style my hair. So my natural hair is just very straight. Sometimes it has a bit of wave to it, but like it's basically straight, okay? So since bleaching the absolute crap out of my hair, it's gotten a bit drier, as you can imagine, and a bit more damaged. So when I don't style my hair, it kind of just poofs and frizzes out. So my hair likes to poof out and look like a mane if I don't style it. So this is what I like to do to style it. My haircut is called an asymmetrical bob. My hair's kind of grown out right now, but you can still see what the shape is like. The front of my hair is longer than the back pieces of my hair, as you can see. So my hairstyle gives me inherent volume in itself, and that is really what I'm looking for when I'm styling my hair. I want my hair to be very sleek. I need it to be voluminous. I need it to be curled inward, actually. This is a big thing for me, is to have my hair curled inwards. And I definitely want to reduce the amount of heat damage that I'm going to get from styling my hair. So I only style my hair every time I shower. And every time I shower is about like 2 to 3 times a week, maximum. So I've already done a video on my hair care routine, which I'll be linking in the eye above and in the description box down below. So check it out if you want to see my shampoo, conditioner, treatments, leave-in products, anything of that sort. This video is just going to be strictly on styling. So this is going to be a very easy video. It takes me about 20 minutes to style my hair because I do have easily manageable hair, to be honest, because of the way I treat my hair using my hair care routine. All of the products talked about in this video will be linked down below, as well as links to any other videos, so check it out in the description box below. And while you're down there, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. So if you want to see how I like to style my hair into this, then just keep on watching. So there are legitimately only 3 things that you're going to need. So the first thing is a big clip to section your hair. The next thing you're going to need is a really big round brush. This has a lot of hair on it, I'm sorry, but you know, shows that I've used it. So this is from Conair, actually. The label is rubbed off, but this is just a basic big round brush. Make sure it's big. The bigger it is, the more volume you're gonna get. And what you're also gonna need is a hair dryer, because this is how I like to style my hair. Straightening doesn't give me as much volume as a hair dryer does, obviously, because I can do a lot more with the hair dryer. So the most important part about the hair dryer is not what it is, because this is just a Conair hair dryer. This is like 20 bucks. Is this attachment right here. So the most important part of this hair dryer is this nozzle right here, because this is going to basically pinpoint the air so it doesn't just fly around everywhere, and your hair will actually take much faster to dry. So that's literally the 3 things that you're going to need if you want to follow along to how I style my hair. Oh, and also make sure that your hair dryer actually has heat settings, because that really helps, as well as a cold air button. Although I don't use the cold air button often, it's helpful to have. I always use the warm setting on low. Sometimes if I'm impatient, I'll put it on high, but I will never do hot and high because I don't want to damage my hair even more than I already have. I let my hair air dry as much as I possibly can before I start going in with the blow dryer. That'll just really cut down my blow dry time and any unnecessary heat damage as well. So the first thing I like to do is roughly blow dry my hair upside down. So this is gonna create a lot of volume in my hair. This is also just going to give me a rough dry so that everything is a little bit more dry when I go in with the brush, and my hair doesn't snag as much because it's not that wet. So this part is really important if you want the extra volume, if you want your hair to not break as much. This is a really important step of doing the rough blow dry. So after that, I'll part my hair into a section with the clippy, and then I will take the round brush and I will take sections of the hair and literally just blow dry it through. So I'm kind of twisting the round brush into a clockwise motion, and then I like to reverse it and do it again so that the brush kind of glides through the hair and I can really get that end curve. So I try to limit the amount of times I go over each section to reduce the amount of breakage and heat damage. So really keep that in mind as you're blow drying. Don't overdo it, just do it to the point until it's where you want it to be. Legitimately just what I like to do. I just go through section by section. I split my hair into about 4 sections from the bottom up, and the most important part is the area around my face because that's what people will see most often. So I really like to take the time to curl the front pieces inwards so that it looks very, very just cupping my face. So that wraps up my video on how I like to style my hair. Now I know that was a very short video because that is honestly all I do because I am so low maintenance with my hair. It's kind of amusing. but that is literally all I do. All of the products used in this video and the link to this makeup tutorial that I'm actually wearing on my face will be linked down below as soon as it's up, so check those out if you want to see. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!